Hi everyone, welcome to Crypto News. Today we're talking about Bitcoin mining, crypto regulation, and hacking. An influencer has been hacked and lost everything in one day. Before you dive in, give a like to the video and feel free to subscribe. Let's go for the main news in crypto. We've seen a surge in mining difficulty, with a 10% increase from 34.09 trillion to 37.59 trillion, according to data compiled by BTC.com. This is the biggest move since October last year, and it's a clear sign that miners are returning to the space. Last year was a tough one for Bitcoin miners as a combination of factors such as high energy prices, increasing competition, and a bear market knocked several mining giants out of the game. But now, after a winter slumber, miners are back and ready to take on the challenge of mining the next block. This surge in mining difficulty comes at a time when we're seeing a bullish reversal in the price of Bitcoin. The leading cryptocurrency is currently trading at $21,175 and has managed to wipe out losses from the collapse of Sam Bankman-Fried's crypto empire 2 months back. The next difficulty change is expected to take place in 2 weeks and could see a minor decline of 0.02%. However, in just 2 weeks into the year, Bitcoin's mining hash set 2 fresh highs, even as bankrupt miner Core Scientific turned off 9,000 ASICs in December. This trend could potentially demonstrate hash moving from weak hands to strong hands. In terms of mining pool distribution, Foundry USA commands the highest share with 35.5%, followed by Antpool with 20.9%, Binance Pool with 12.3%, and F2 Pool with 10.4%, among others, respectively. In conclusion, the recent surge in mining difficulty is a clear sign that miners are returning to the space and that they are ready to take on the challenge of mining the next block. This is great news for the industry, and it's a clear indication that the price of Bitcoin is on the rise. Now let's talk about hacking. Do you know the name Lazarus? It's a notorious North Korean hacker collective. Lazarus has been moving large amounts of Ethereum, believed to be proceeds from the Harmony Bridge hack that occurred in June 2022. Blockchain sleuth ZachXBT posted details of the movements, which involved around 41,000 ETH worth roughly $63.5 million being sent through a smart contract privacy platform called Railgun before being deposited on 3 different exchanges. It's important to note that Lazarus has become quite adept at moving illicit crypto and preventing authorities from tracking them down. They have been linked to several large crypto heists totaling more than $2 billion and have turned their focus to DeFi and cross-chain bridges in 2022. Additionally, they targeted crypto asset exchanges in Japan with phishing attacks in October of 2022. It's alarming to see such activities happening in the crypto space, but it's important to be aware of them and take the necessary precautions to protect our assets. This includes being extra cautious when it comes to online security, using reputable antivirus software, and keeping your software and computer updated. It's also crucial to keep an eye on crypto transactions and activities, especially if you suspect any suspicious behavior. This way, we can help prevent these malicious actors from succeeding in their activities. Another news about hacking concerns an NFT influencer, known as NFT God or Alex, has lost a significant amount of their net worth in non-fungible tokens, NFTs, and crypto after downloading malware from a sponsored advertisement on Google. The story goes that Alex was searching for open-source video streaming software and clicked on a sponsored ad that he thought was for the same thing, but it was actually a phishing website. The malware not only compromised his crypto wallet, but also breached his Substack account and sent phishing emails to his 16,000 subscribers. This is a reminder for us all to be extra cautious when clicking on sponsored ads, or any link for that matter. It's important to verify the authenticity of the website before downloading any software or entering any personal information. It's also important to note that this is not the first time the crypto community has dealt with crypto-stealing malware in Google Ads. In fact, in October, Binance CEO Changpeng CZ Zhao had warned that Google search results were promoting crypto phishing and scamming websites. So, how can we protect ourselves from these types of attacks? Here are a few tips. Always verify the authenticity of the website before downloading any software or entering any personal information. Use a reputable antivirus software and keep it updated. Use strong and unique passwords for all your accounts. Be cautious when clicking on sponsored ads or links, especially on social media. Keep your computer and software updated. In conclusion, it's important to be extra cautious when it comes to online security and protecting your crypto assets. These types of attacks can happen to anyone, so it's important to stay informed and take the necessary precautions to protect yourself. To finish the video, let's talk about crypto regulation. Recently, Republican lawmakers have announced the formation of a new subcommittee in the House of Representatives focused on digital assets, financial technology, and inclusion. This subcommittee, chaired by Congressman French Hill, is the first of its kind and aims to provide rules of the road for federal regulators of the digital asset ecosystem. This is a huge step forward in the world of cryptocurrency, as it shows that lawmakers are recognizing the importance of this emerging asset class and are taking steps to create a solid regulatory framework for it. This news comes at a time when multiple pieces of crypto-related legislation are making their way through the legislative process, with the goal of establishing regulatory clarity for this rapidly growing asset class. This is a goal that is widely shared across the financial sector as well as through the halls of government. One of the main reasons for this push for regulation is the recent collapse of cryptocurrency exchange FTX. This event shook the crypto world to its core and negatively impacted countless American investors. However, lawmakers like Congressman Patrick McHenry believe that a solid regulatory framework would have helped avoid this crisis. So, what does this mean for the future of cryptocurrency? It means that we can expect more oversight and regulation, but it also means that the industry will be able to operate in a more stable and secure environment. This is great news for investors, as it will provide more protection for their assets and increase trust in the industry. It's also great news for innovation, as a clear regulatory framework will encourage more businesses and entrepreneurs to enter the space. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more updates on crypto news. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this one.